First Coast News begins with breaking news.
If you're in those evacuation zones, take advantage of this opportunity and pack a bag and take a route and leave the city.
JSO says they are worried about the lack of people choosing to evacuate. JEA saying that once water and sewer goes out at the beaches, it will not be restored until they have the staff. Jacksonville Fire and Rescue saying Hurricane Matthew is going to be on par with Hurricanes Katrina and Sandy.
And we have live team coverage tonight. Our reporters are all over the states of Georgia and Florida working to give you updates so you can keep your family safe. Good evening to you. I'm Jessica Clark.
And I'm Anthony Austin. Of course, our weather team, they have been working very hard, giving us the latest information on Hurricane Matthew. Let's start now with meteorologist Tim Deegan.
All right, and here is the latest position and the latest track, and the latest official forecast motion. But I wanted you to take a look at just the almost buzzsaw effect of that eye. The eye is wobbling, but moving forward pretty significantly to the northwest at 12 and now 13 miles per hour. So here clearly is the eye. The eye is heading off to the